Hello everyone, welcome to linuxin.com YouTube channel. Today we're going to show you how to install MySQL on your Ubuntu 20.04. Alright, so first of all, you're going to open up your terminal. Now we're going to basically update our repository as we always do. It is going to ask us for the password, so we're going to put in our password. We're going to hit enter and it is basically going to update our repository. Alright, so once you have updated your repository, now you can upgrade it. Alright, so you would write here sudo apt and then you would write here upgrade instead of update. Hit enter and now it would ask you, do you want to upgrade? Continue, press Y, hit enter, and it would basically upgrade your repository. So once your repository has been upgraded, after that we could basically install MySQL. So we'll wait. Alright, so once basically you have upgraded the repository, now what you're going to do is that you're going to install MySQL. So now in order to install MySQL server, what you're going to do is that you're going to write here sudo apt install MySQL -server. Okay, so once you do that, hit enter and now you can see that it is going to install MySQL. It's going to take 245 megabytes of additional disk space. So it asks, do you want to continue? So we'll press Y and we hit enter. So now you can see that it would basically download the MySQL packages first and then it would install them. So we'll wait. Alright, so now you can see that we have installed MySQL server successfully. So if you want to check, you could write here MySQL and then you could write here version, hit enter, and you can see that we have MySQL version 8.0.20 installed. Alright, so now what we're going to do is that we're going to set the password. So if you want to go with the root password, you can also go, but if you want to set your password yourself, you could also do that. So how would we do that? We just clear it. Here we would write here sudo, then we'd write here MySQLs underscore, then we'd write here secure underscore, then we'd write here installation. Okay, hit enter and you can see that it's saying securing the MySQL server deployment, connecting to MySQL using a blank password. So press Y for yes, any other key for no. Okay, so it is asking, would you like to set up validate password component? So I'll press Y and it would say that there are 3 levels of password validation policy. So if the password length is less than 8 or equal to 8, it's low. If that is greater than 8, then it's medium. If it is greater than or equal to 8, which is mixed with numeric mixed case, special characters, dictionary, then it is strong. Okay, so in the case of medium, the length and the numeric mixed case and the special characters. Alright, so what we're gonna do is that we're gonna enter 0. We want to select a low range of password, so we're gonna just type in here our password. It is asking us to re-enter our password. So we did. It says estimated strength of the password 0. Do you wish to continue with the password provided? So if you want to continue, press Y. If you don't want to continue, press N, and then you can basically rewrite your password. So we press Y. It says remove anonymous users. Yes, we want to remove. Disallow root login remotely. For now, I would press Y, but in future, if you want to use this remote login option, then you can basically come here again, sudo MySQL secure installation, and from here you can turn that option on. Alright, so I press Y. It says remove database and access to it. Yes, and now reload privilege tables now. Yes, so you can see that it's all done now. Alright, so we have installed the MySQL and now we have also changed the password and we have done the settings that we wanted to. Alright, so let's just clear it and now let's go to MySQL console. So for that we'll just write here sudo MySQL -u and then we're going to write here root. We hit enter and now you can see that we have entered the MySQL console. This is the MySQL interface, and now what you're going to do is that let's say that we write here show databases. All right, we put a semicolon here, hit enter. You can see that we have 4 databases: information schema, MySQL, performance schema, and sys. So let's say that we want to create another database, a new database here. So how do we do that? So for that, we just write here create database and let's name it Linux int. All right, and semicolon. We hit enter. You can see that it says query okay, 1 row affected, which means that 1 database have been created and added. So in order to see that if our new database have been added successfully or not, we'll just write here show databases, put a semicolon, hit enter, and you can see that after information schema, previously we had MySQL, but now after information schema we have Linux int database that has been added successfully. All right, so that's how you install MySQL, that's how you do the secure installation, that's how you log into MySQL interface, and that's how you basically show the database, that's how you create a database, and that's how you show the database again. And finally, if you want to quit the MySQL interface, you write here quit. All right, so I hope you have got the point, you have learned something new in this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. For written articles, you can always visit our website linuxin.com. Thank you so much for watching.